All right, Happy New Year, everyone. This is a watch this video for Thursday, January 2nd, 2020. Cannot believe it. But anyway, let's start with the SPY. Had the 2-day pullback and then a nice bounce right off the 8-day moving average on, I want to say Friday. These are hard videos when you have a midweek holiday to get my head around what day was the last trading day. So on Tuesday. And now we had Wednesday off. We're trading on Thursday. What are we watching? NIO put in a much more narrow range than it did on Monday. On Tuesday it did. And then, I don't love this one because if you look at the volume, over 400 million shares on the big breakout day, another 200 and something million yesterday. But, I'd like to see it come in a couple days. But sometimes you get a little halt and then it goes again. So but that kind of volume is hard to get your head around. Seadrill, SDRL, had the 2-day pop, pull back to the 8-day, then a gap up. This is one of my favorite gaps up on Tuesday, but it never gave any kind of buy signal. Ended up putting in kind of a quiet red day. So I still like this as a potential long because you had this pushback here and it's holding up pretty well. Let's see, 278 was Tuesday's high. That is one area I'll be watching. If you can get through that, maybe we retest 3 and take out this 315 high from about 4 or 5 days ago, whatever that was. I got a few pot stocks on watch because I don't know if it was maybe final end of year tax loss selling, and now these things can bounce a bit. Certainly big volume. So I've chosen a few pots plays just to watch. You can probably pick any one that you know, but see if they have a follow-through day or at least maybe next week too. Let's keep our eyes on it. But TLRY is one, big volume, pretty strong move. CGC is another one. I'm going to watch both of those. And I'm not positive, but I think through clicking around, I think this SNDL falls into that camp too. I think there's sundial growers you can see up here. I kind of think they might be growing weed, but I'm not positive. It's IPO'd back here and finally found some support sideways for about a month now and curling up. So I do like the chart. A pretty strong volume, pretty strong close. Even if it's not a pot stock, I like the chart. So you think I know it, but I don't. MREO. Big 2-day pop, quiet red day, and I said sometimes you get one pullback and then it goes right away again. I still like this because you have Tuesday's high, 350, possible half number inflection point tomorrow if we can get through that 350, and we still have a potential catalyst above at 374. So this one is holding up well. It's still interesting to me. Nice trades in that one, by the way, on Tuesday. God, I can't get my days right. Okay, wait a minute. Tuesday was yesterday. Anyway, MIK had this big pop, quiet inside day, and a gap down, but then a strong day. So this one's really holding up well, this MIK. So we're going to watch that one. PYX, an inside day. After this kind of big 3-day move, an inside day on Tuesday, topping out at the quarter at 925. Certainly want to watch that one. And VIVE, kind of a weird chart, right? But you can see the nice volume. I'm going to zoom in a little bit now. See the nice volume on Tuesday and pretty much went out near its highs. Went from 88 cents to $1.28, closing right there, right at the highs. Certainly an interesting candidate for a follow-through day. And then PT was on watch going into Tuesday, and there were no trades in it, but it's still interesting as a bounce play. The big gap up. Red day, another red day, and another red day. This one did not give a buy signal on Tuesday, but maybe we get one tomorrow. We'll see. I'm going to leave it at that. That's kind of a shorter list, but probably because of the holidays, there's just not that many stocks giving great setups right now. What was I going to say? We'll also add gappers to the list in the pre-market, and I do expect light volume Thursday and Friday. You're pinned between market holiday and then 2 days and then a weekend. But that doesn't mean we won't find stuff to trade. We actually had several really nice trades on Tuesday. So I will be there, and we'll see you in the morning.